Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be going through the 10Web AI Builder. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So 10Web is an AI powered website builder that aims to simplify website creation for small businesses without needing code expertise. Now we'll go through some of the key capabilities of 10Web. Now, what I particularly like about 10Web is the fact that it does have AI-powered design. The website builder itself uses AI algorithms to automatically generate a website based on user preferences and inputs. So users can start by specifying the type of website they need. An example would be an e-commerce website. They can have a blog website or even a portfolio website. So that all depends on the user. And as well as that, provide some basic design preferences. Then AI creates a custom design accordingly. So what 10Web normally would do is, with the design features, it uses the AI to generate tailored website design mockups options based on analyzing your business type. So of course, if we do click on the generate button there, and then we answer maybe a couple of the different questions based on what we want, then it'll create that site for us. Now, it builds sites mobile first, focusing on the responsive layouts that adapt across device sizes. It also provides hundreds of professional templates, which we'll take a look at, and design assets to choose from and customize. Now, the editor itself is a drag and drop editor, and that's great as well, is because what's great about the drag and drop is it's to visually arrange and style the site content. So you'll be able to see it in person. You can preview it as well accordingly. So if you guys have used any other website builders like Squarespace or Wix, you can see that those are drag and drop website builders as well. You can move elements about. It does have dynamic widgets also that can auto update sites. Example of this would be like review or Instagram feed widgets as well. So it is packed full of different features. Now, if you are seeing the WordPress on top there, you can see that it does have that integration. So that's with the hosting and speed optimization. So 10Web also offers hosting services that are optimized for WordPress. They focus on providing fast loading times, which is crucial, of course, for the user experience as well as the SEO. So you can actually see here with the WordPress, it's got automated WordPress hosting, BuddyBoss hosting, one-click migration, and so on. So it does have that WordPress integration as well, if you in fact want to drop in your website through here. So what's great about 10Web as well is it does have Elementor integration. So 10Web is actually known for its integration with Elementor, which is a popular WordPress page builder. Now, this integration allows users to easily customize their AI-generated website using Elementor's drag and drop interface. Now, on top of that, of course, there are plenty of different features available on this, like content and functionality, where you've got SEO focused copywriting assistant to help optimize that site text. You've got your headlines as well, which can be fully optimized, and image names. It does integrate with CRM, email marketing, payments, and other critical business platforms. And you also have a built-in blog, call to action, lead capture, contact forms to drive conversions, and you also do have review monitoring and sentiment analysis reports to improve this service. So let's first have a look at the AI. So you can see here, if you look on the top there, we could see for the AI website builder. So that's generally where we want to be at. Now, I would say 10Web definitely has the ease of use. It has a simplified dashboard, which we'll take a look at. It has pretty much a step-by-step build process guide. It includes ready-made content blocks tailored for different industries that is added basically with one click. You can preview a site on various screen devices to visualize the responsive behavior. That is pretty much standard for any website builder anyway, but of course, it is very nice to have that integrated into the website builder. And you of course have the ongoing A to B testing experiment suggested to continually optimize the site's performance. So firstly, what I want to do before we go ahead and generate the website, let's take a look at the pricing plan just to give you an idea on the cost of this AI website builder. So we'll just select the pricing and the platform. So with a business plan, you have the AI starter. So this is for simpler website builds. You can get started for free, of course, just trialing it out. You don't have a limit to it. It is $13 per month, and with it, you do have the drag and drop editor based on Elementor. You've got the Elementor AI assistant. You can connect a custom domain if need be. You've got high performance hosting by Google Cloud. So that, by the looks of things, isn't ticked. And oh, sorry. So with this one, sorry, this is the high performance hosting by Google Cloud, and this is some of the features for it. So you got 100% uptime guarantee, monthly visitors, SSD storage, and you've got automated one-click migration, free SSL certificate. The only thing that you don't have really is the multi-site support. That's marked as X, as you can see. Now with the website speed optimization, you've got a 90 plus page speed score. You've got the search engine optimization with it. You've got Cloudflare Enterprise CDN, which is $4 per month. So it's not really ticked on that basis. It's going to be an additional price. That means it will bump your price up to $14 per month. You do have customer support on top of that. That's one unfortunate thing there is, yes, the speed load times isn't there, so it is marked as X, but however you do have customer support at 24/7, and that is ticked. Now next one up is the AI Premium, so that's for professional websites, and that's $18 per month. Practically the same as the AI starter. Only difference is, of course, with the Elementor AI assistant, which you do get 50k words instead of 5k words. You do get 50k words or 50k of monthly visitors. You've got 15 gigabytes of SSD storage, so 5 gig more. And on top of that, that is pretty much the only changes with that. So you would only go for the AI Premium if you do need it much more for more of a professional website rather than having a simpler website. The next one up is the AI Ultimate. And AI Ultimate is $28 per month. However, you do get quite a bit for this package. So with this is the Elementor AI Assistant. It's unlimited. You get 200k monthly visitors, 20 gigabytes. So that's 5 more from the AI Premium, and that is 10 more from the AI starter. As well as that, you do have a multi-site support, which is great to see, and it does have 10 times faster load times. And with the customer service, you do have the VIP priority support. So if you need something very instant, you will get seen to very fast. Now, it does have plenty more different features as well. It just goes through the areas here, like the drag and drop editor based on Elementor. You've got premium templates and widgets, connect a custom domain, number of website regenerations, as well as the Elementor AI assistant that we've seen. Now you can view more, of course. Now with the 24/7 customer support, it just goes into more detail there. You've got email assistance, real-time chat box assistance, as well as VIP priority support and a dedicated account manager. And of course, some of these will be X'd out, some of these will have them. Of course, with the collaboration, it's good to note that you do have collaboration with this in terms of user and team management. You've got staging area, as well as WordPress and plugin updates. And then last but not least is the enterprise features. So with this, of course, enterprise level means that you're a large scale business. So it does make sense that these are all X'd out. But we will see another plan here if we go to the commerce. So AI e-commerce starter. So this is only if you're creating an e-commerce website, of course. Everything is more or less applicable and the same In terms of the AI e-commerce features there, you have premium templates and widgets, product page customization with AI, product description generation with AI, and you've got full page caching for e-commerce websites, and of course that occurs only for the ones that are ticked. Inventory and order tracking, easy to use dashboard for managing products. So it does have and is packed full of different features. Now with the e-commerce, of course, it is a little bit more expensive. So you've got your AI e-commerce starter pack there at $20 per month, whilst the premium there is $45 and the dedicated hosting is $175. So that is pretty much the e-commerce side to things. Now, if you want to go for more, you do have the Agency 2 Plus websites, so that's Agency Starter. Again, this is only if you are an agency like us. This is more of a platform that we will probably go for. And you could see for the large scale digital agencies, they do have where it's pretty much an enterprise level. So if we take a look at the features here closely, and we go to the agency features, you can see that these are all ticked, unlike the previous ones that we've seen there for the business and e-commerce. So what do you get for this? You've got the 10Web AI Builder, of course, again with Elementor functionalities and assistance, agency features like manage all your clients' websites in the same interface, separate workspace for each of your clients, unlimited one-click migrations, white label, multi-site support, user and team management, customer care, and so on. Now, what exactly would you use this for? So, as it states, if you are building multiple websites for, of course, the clients, then this would be the pricing plan that you would go for. It does start off at $30 per month, $70 per month, and of course you can talk to a specialist in terms of getting an enterprise level for this. So the price may vary in those terms. So anyway, what we'll do now is, now that we've had a look at the pricing plans, we'll take a look at the AI website builder and generate a website from this. So simply just click generate website. It'll say, let's start creating your website with AI. So I want to create an informational website, or I want to create a website with an online store. Just to simplify this video, I'm going to go ahead and create an informational website. So we'll go ahead and click next. It'll ask 5 questions here. So please select the type of business. We'll just say that we are content. We'll just go for agency or content marketing agency. Let's see if this pops up. Marketing agency. Okay, we'll just go for that. We'll go click next. So this will bring us to a new page here. So we'll go ahead and just retry this again. So once you have passed that process, so this is the step 2, and it'll choose your website theme and structure. So you can choose which one you want. There's light mode and dark mode and just the layout. This is more of a wireframe if you think about it as well. So I'll just go for this dark mode looking one, and then we'll go ahead and click next. We'll type in our name and just say profile tree. Then it'll ask us to describe the company. Now, if we don't know, we can go ahead and just say we create websites, we create content marketing, we provide digital marketing. So things like that. Okay, we'll just say that. We do video production. So if you are very, very basic with it, you can see that we can enhance that with AI, and that'll just take into account what we've said. So we'll just remove the wedding one, and then so of course I had picked the different one for that one, so we'll actually just go with the wedding one. We provide wedding photos. It's just because it depends on what you've given. I have had to redo this and just selected the wedding one, and provide wedding videos. Okay, let's see what we can do here, and we'll go ahead and enhance that with AI. Okay, so we'll just go with this one. I'm happy enough with that. We'll go ahead and click next. So this is automatically what it'll provide us. It'll say wedding photography, video production, and love stories. So this is AI pre-filled services. And once you are happy enough, just click on finalize. So now you'll be brought this very screen here. And of course, you can go ahead and sign up with Google or go ahead and create an account with the 10Web website builder. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up to Google now. So I've actually went ahead and signed in, like as you can see. So we'll just go home here and see if we can get a website built up. We might have to go through the process again. So we'll just go to, let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through that process again. So one thing to note is if you are going to pick up a 10Web free sort of site, you want to trial it out, you do have to go for a subscription, but it is a 7-day free trial. So I'd recommend to go ahead and trial it out. Either go through your card detail or you can go through PayPal, so either or. And then if you don't really like it, then you can cancel the subscription. Again, it is up to yourselves, but you will have to go through the process of picking out a plan. So I've just went for the cheapest plan there. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed. Now it's just going to ask us the subdomain, and then we'll just go ahead and finalize this site. So now it's just configuring high performance hosting and finalizing the website. So once this is through, we should have a full website. So let's just have a look. So we'll just wait and see until this is complete. Just takes a little minute for it to finalize. So I'll go ahead and skip forward. So once that's generated, you can see the AI generated e-commerce website's now ready, and it's ready to now be optimized. So we'll just go ahead and edit the website. You can see that it has a bit of a Cloudflare integration there. And let's just have a look at what the site is. Now, keep in mind that this site doesn't have any domain names. It is running Elementor as well, so it doesn't have any domain names live, so it isn't a live website, so no one can see this unless they have the URL. So this is the site that it's created for us, so we'll just go ahead and say let's get started. Next step, okay, that's no problem, and then next. So it just gives you a step-by-step guide. This was mentioned just earlier on in the video that it does give you a step-by-step guide, which is great. So it gives you 6 overall steps just to get you familiarized with the entire website builder. But anyway, this is how it currently looks. Of course, there are ways for us to make this a little bit better. It is at the minute very, very plain, but there are editing features. Since it is running Elementor, you can actually just make a drag and drop or have it as a drag and drop. So if we just click on the edit, see that this is our header on the top. We can drag widgets into here as well. We've got most of our elements on the left side here. And you can see as well that with the top bar, you do have the desktop, tablet, and the mobile version. So that's all the different types of responsive designs on this website builder itself. So if we look closely, so with the desktop there, you can see again, that's the different elements you can drag and drop. Very, very simple. All you would need to do is drag it and then drop the, say if you want a widget onto here, you can go ahead and do that. Let's just see what is going on with this header here. Go ahead and go into services. So there's different pages there, as you could see. This is the site menu, which what we're offering at the minute. We've got 5 different pages: home, services, portfolio, about, and contact. Of course, there's inner pages as well, so that's sub pages. So this is how it currently looks. Now, of course, you've got your logo there, which you can change up as well. And of course, you can change the overall profile tree header. So if you just click on edit, you can change this. So if I just wanted to change that to Conley Cove, I can go ahead and do that. I can do Amazing Cars and Drives. So several different titles that I can add onto here. I can actually also delete it if I want to. So just by clicking X, of course we have the logo type there, and I can just go ahead and delete that if need be. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that on here. Now, in terms of the actual site itself, there is some styles that I can go ahead and change. So if I go ahead and edit this page, so I've edited the header, I'm happy enough with that. I can go ahead and change the actual page itself, as you can see. And this is where I can start adding containers, images, and so on. So it is your usual website builder. It does have the AI integration as well, of course, as a website builder. So it is packed full of features, and I just think that 10Web is a fantastic website building tool to use at the minute. Now, this is all in WordPress. As you can see, it says exit to WordPress. Again, it is using Elementor as well. So if we just go ahead and exit to WordPress and just see how that looks. So you can see how we've been brought to the WordPress version of this site. But if we select edit with Elementor, should be brought to the Elementor site as well. So it is a very simple website builder to use. It will take some time to just familiarize where parts are, like your top row here where you can visit different site menus, and then of course with your settings there as well, where you can visit and see the page settings, add elements, you can do and use your site settings, your structure, and of course the different styles of the website. But that is pretty much it, and of course you can pick out different themes as well. So if you are happy enough with everything, go ahead and select save and publish on the top right, and then that is pretty much it for the entire website. But there you have it, guys. That is the 10Web AI website builder. Now feel free to go ahead and get creative with the website builder itself. Generate your website using AI. It will make the whole process a lot simpler. Now, if you enjoyed the video, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.